guys, and this is my vlog for my bucket list number 5. And I want to share you guys the importance of walking. Walking reduces your cortisol levels significantly. It reduces your chance for having anxiety, depression, and such mental illnesses that are really not treated by medicine. I think walking helps us to regrow the parts of our brain that were dead. I have also noticed that during my walks, people tend to smile back at you when you smile at them. Sometimes they even greet you when you greet them. Some people just ignore you, and that's okay. Maybe because they're having a bad day. So have fun. Good luck.